Oh my gosh, what's that lying over by the side of the road? Wow, it's a washing machine. I guess someone threw it away because they thought it was useless. Perfect. Now I finally have a birthday gift for my big sister. I'll take it home, clean it up really well, and make it look brand new.
Emily, weren't you at the store looking for a birthday gift for your big sister? Why did you bring home something from the trash? You should give her a nice, proper gift.
Dad, you already know everything. Grandpa is gone, I lost my job, and on top of that, my YouTube channel isn't doing well. People watch my videos, but hardly anyone hits like or subscribe.
Emily, don't worry. No matter how hard life gets, never give up. Maybe not today, but one day, everything will get better. Your hard work and honesty will pay off. Just keep believing in yourself.